Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be using this hair. It's called Mega Brazilian. This is the Classy Wave and it's 3 bundles with a closure. So these are the bundles. Like I said, it's Classy Wave. This is synthetic human hair. So that means it's synthetic hair and it's like a master mix with human but mostly synthetic, girl. It came with 3 bundles and a closure. So the first thing that I always do is sew my closure down. That's just something that's easy for me. And I sew the closure down, and then the rest of it, I just use my 30-second bond glue to go ahead and lay those tracks down. So I got a 14, 16, 18. So I'm going to start with this 18-inch. I'm just going to go ahead and start to glue it in. This curl pattern is so cute and it's so summery and I love it. So as you can see, I'm just measuring it from one side of the cap to the other side of the cap, which is equivalent to one side of the head to the other side of the head. I do it like that because like I want my 18 to be long in the front, not just in the back. Sometimes you just put the 18 only in the back, but I'm putting the 18 all around from side to side so that I'll have that length. So anyways, what I'm doing now is I'm just, like you can see, laying the tracks from one side to the other. And this is some very affordable hair. I decided to do it in a wig form because it is synthetic hair and I'll be able to maintain it and keep it longer. Now, I think, let me see. So the overall total that I paid for this hair, I think it was like maybe $26. Um, yeah, I think it was like $26. So you got 3 bundles and a closure. I got it from my local beauty supply store. Okay, so this is how it ended up looking. It was so nice and fluffy. This is great for any quick style that you want to do, like if you're going on a weekend trip or even maybe for like pictures or something like that. It did tangle a little bit, but literally it's not much at all. It's very doable. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.